Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to House Plan Market, China. This place we use opportunity to discuss about our house plan activities or our site activities. Right now, we are at our new site where we intend to construct a duplex house plan. Precisely, I think it's about 5 bedroom duplex with boys quarter on it, and equally a penthouse. Today we started by construction of the storehouse. We are going to be keeping our equipment and other materials. As you can see from your end, we discover that the land is an existing plot of land that have been used for one activities or the other. It means that we have to undertake serious work before we can start our excavation. So far so good. The first thing we'll be doing is to map out our own plot from the space you are seeing. It's a pity I did not really show you guys how we took the setting out, but that's okay. In other of our videos, I will likely show the steps we took in taking care of our setting out and all the rest of the job. Here we have already started excavation. In fact, we have concluded with the excavation. What we are doing right now is, I think, the casting. We've taken level 2, the casting of the foundation trench. Let me go back a little to explain the step that we took in order for us to get to this stage. After the excavation, we took our levels. After the levels, we blind our column base, mount our baskets, ensure that all the columns are in the same alignment before we now cast the column. Casting of the column, we did it somehow by casting all the columns one day, but what we did exactly was to target for the first day, and the second day we did a comprehensive casting for the columns and the foundation trench. One thing is clear: our mix ratio will always follow the mix ratio described in the design. Where it is not adequate for us, we can introduce something that will be very okay for the design or the construction work in question. After we finish the casting, the next thing is to do the formwork for the blocks. Right now, as you are seeing it from your own end, we've already started, we've done the formwork and we've started laying our block. For us to get a proper DPC level, first thing we do is to look at the level from the roadside to our site. If the road is high enough, then we should be able to determine what our DPC will be looking at. We consider so many things. We need to look, is there drainage in the road? What is going to be the correct DPC level for us? So after taking some good decisions, we decide to raise our DPC level to about 7 cores. This is because we don't want a solution whereby In the long run, we will need to be deroofing and be increasing DPC level again. So far so good. What we've done so far, we are sure that in a very long time there will be no need of increasing the DPC level. So after we finish our the form work and we've started raising the block work to that particular level, the next thing we need to be thinking or planning for is preparation for the DPC casting. For us to start working on that dimension, we make provision for enough sand, the chippings, which is known as granite, and we use with the help of a concrete mixer. We don't always prefer working with hand mix for all our sites. Right now the carpenter is boarding the areas that we are going to cast. Before the DPC, we normally try to change the structure in a way that it will reduce displacement from the ground and create a balanced and a stable surface for the DPC. The carpenter is trying to board the beam that the DPC will be resting on, or that will be carrying the DPC. So once we are done with the beam, we will need to cast all the beams with concrete, and after that we will need to fill very well. After filling the whole structure very well, before we now cast. It's unfortunate I did not show you those stages of filling process and compacting, but with what we have here, what you are seeing, we've already done the DPC casting and we've started our block work to lintel level. In few days from now, we'll hit our deep lintel level. I'll be looking at how we can cast the lintel and move to the next level, which is the leveling level. Please, as you follow us on our YouTube channel, please like our house designs, like our works, share it. If you have any question that you feel is disturbing you concerning your house construction works, feel free to let us know. Whichever is the case, we will be ready to assist you in any way we can. Thank you so much. Thank you. Next video I'll be available and willing to update it and discuss more of house plan matters and construction works with you guys. We love you. Bye for now.